Most Canadians are using their TFSA wrong, and it could be costing them tens of thousands of dollars. Here is the mistake. A TFSA is not a savings account. The name says tax-free savings, but it is really a tax-free investing account. Inside it you can hold far more than cash. You can hold stocks, exchange-traded funds, index funds, bonds, and GICs. And here is the part that matters most. Every dollar of growth inside a TFSA is 100% tax-free. No tax on your gains, no tax on your dividends, and no tax when you take the money out. If you leave your TFSA sitting in cash earning almost nothing, you are wasting its greatest power, decades of tax-free compounding. For 2026, you get $7,000 of new room. And if you have been eligible since 2009 and never contributed, your cumulative room is $109,000. The lesson is simple. Do not just save inside your TFSA. Invest inside it, and let it grow. This is education, not advice. Figures current as of 2026. Always check the latest figures with an official source.